Today we're going to show you how to make a super easy chicken brooder out of whatever you have around, scrap material, whatever it is, whatever you can get your hands on. Well, it's back to the wood pile. This time we're going to use this stuff to make just a makeshift brooder, nothing fancy. I'm just going to use materials on hand and cardboard to make this brooder, just to show you how easy it can be, that you can do it with just about anything. Typically we use steel tubs or stock tanks or something like that, but why not use this stuff? I'm going to show you how easy it is and how little time it takes to do. Okay, folks, that's it in a nutshell. I mean, all I did was take some scrap lumber that was out there, and I did it this way. This is by far one of the rattiest structures I've ever put together. I didn't worry about plumb. I didn't worry about level. Just took some, okay, I'll let this guy go. Let him go play. Anyway, all I did was take some scrap lumber, make a box, just like I told you the other day when it came to, doing the raised bed gardens. Make a box, put some chickens in it. But first you want to make sure you got some fortified water. You want to also have some feed for them and also some wood shavings, all of which seem to be really tough to find right now. According to the local guy working in the farm store, apparently everybody and their great-grandmother's wanting to raise chickens, and they're making a lot of mistakes, and they're killing a lot of them too. In a nutshell, you can use a box. You can use anything. You can use the box the refrigerator came in. But I guess what I wanted to point out here is that you could use something as simple as cardboard and scrap wood that you have laying around, and this is going to work because they're not going to be here at the most, maybe 3 weeks, at the very most. More than likely, they'll be out within 2 weeks, and we'll have them on pasture. So the moral to the story is, get your chicks home. Just make sure they're dry, make sure they're warm as they can be. Get them under a heat lamp as quickly as possible. You can put a thermometer in there. I mean, I make a brooder this big so they can escape the heat if they want to, or they can go to it when they need to. So there's nothing rocket science about this, but apparently a lot of people are killing these chickens out there because they're not doing the right things. It's not hard, but at the same time, don't make the foolish mistakes of, not making them warm enough and not giving them what they need. And they don't need really that much at all. So this is Billy, the Permaculture Pimp Daddy, and we'll see you next time.